Hello everyone. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Anita Slenda. It's a pleasure to be here today. Today, I would like to talk about two important topics that very students should know before applying for a job, an internship or even a scholarship. The topic are how to make a good CV and how to write an application letter. These two documents are very important because they are usually the first things that a company or an organization sees before they meet us. So if we make them well, we can leave a good first impression. Let's start with the first topic. Part 1. How to make a good CV. First of all, what is a CV? CV stands for curriculum vitae. A CV is document that tells people about who we are, includes our education, skill, experience, and achievement. In simple words, a CV is like our personal introduction on one page. A CV helps other people understand three things about us. The first is who we are. This includes our name, contact number, email, and where we live. The second is what we can do. This means our skills, such as using Microsoft Word, speaking English, or working in time. The third is what we have done. This includes our experience, organization, volunteer activities, internship, or part-time jobs. Now, why do we need a CV? There are many reasons we need a CV when we apply for a job, an internship, a scholarship, or when we want to join a student organization. A good CV helps people know us before they meet us. Next, let's look at the main parts of a good CV. The first part is personal information. Here we read our full name, phone number, email, address, city, and maybe our account if we have one. One important tips is to ask a professional email address. For example, inda.com.gmail.com is. We also don't need to include information like religion, weight, or ID number. The second part is about me. This is a short paragraph, usually only 2 or 3 sentences. Here we introduce ourselves, explain our strengths, and mention our career goals. For example, I am a law student at Yayin Bone. I am hardworking, responsible, and eager to learn new things. I hope to gain experience through an internship. The third part is education. With your newest education first. For university student, mention your university, your study program, and your GPA if it is good. The fourth part is experience. Some students think they don't have experience because they have never had a job. Actually, that's not true. Experience can also include joining organization, volunteering, competitions, training, or internship. All of this is show that we are active and willing to learn. The fifth part is skills. There are two kinds of skills. The first is hard skill. These are technical skills like Microsoft Office, computer skills, reading, or English. The second is soft skills. These include teamwork, communication, leadership, problem solving, and being responsible. Finally, we have extra information. Here we can add language certificates, awards, or reference if needed. Before moving to the next topic, I want to give one simple tip. Keep your CV clear, honest, and easy to read. Don't read information that is not true because the interview might ask about it later. Now let's continue to the second topic. Part 2, how to read an application letter. An application letter is a letter that we send together with our CV. The purpose of this letter is to explain why we want the position and why the company should choose us. If the CV tells what we have done, the application letter explains why we are the right person. A good application letter can make a strong first impression and increase our chance of getting an interview. There are 6 main parts of an application letter. The first is the heading. This includes our address, today's date, and the company address. The second is the greeting. If we know the person name, we can read their Mr. John or Mr. Miss Sarah. If we don't know the name, we can simply read their sir or madam or their hiring manager. The third part is opening paragraph. Here we explain which position we are applying for and where we found the job and first assignment. For example, I am ready to apply for the legal intern position in your company. I saw this opportunity on your website. The fourth part is the body paragraph. This is the most important part. Here we explain who we are, what we study, our skills, and our experience. We shall also explain why we believe we are suitable for the position. The fifth part is the closing paragraph. In this section, we thank the company for reading our letter and express our hope for an interview. For example, thank you for your time and consideration. Look forward to hearing from you. The last para is the signature. We end politely with sincerely or best regards. Followed be our full name. Before I finish, I want to explain the difference between a CV and an application letter because many people still confuse them. A CV is a document that lists our education, experience, and skills. An application letter is a letter that explains why we want to position and we are suitable for it. So they are different, but they work together. Usually we send both documents at the same time. To conclude, a good CV and a good application letter are very important for every student. A CV introduces our background, while an application letter introduces our motivation. If we read both documents clearly, honestly, and professionally, we will have a better chance to get a job, an internship, or even a scholarship. Thank you very much for your attention. That's all from me. Once again, my name is Anita Linda. Thank you and have a great day, everyone. Bye bye.